guys, and a warm welcome to you all on day 8 of the plastic free challenge. And today's subject is eyeshadows, because I wear eyeshadows on a daily basis. So most eyeshadows come in plastic containers such as these, and they're full of usually harmful ingredients, not really good to put around your eyes, and they mostly everything ends up in the bin. So our challenge is to find an alternative, plastic-free alternatives. So we at Pervez sell our eyeshadows in mineral sifter jars, and the ingredients are healthy, but they're still in plastic. So the solution we're offering now is, in the new year, we're going to be offering in refills in compostable bags, so people can just keep refilling if they want to keep using the mineral eyeshadow. And we are slowly adding eyeshadows that are pressed in tin pans. And the beauty of these, we're also selling empty, these are cardboard containers, 100% plastic free. And you can just, they're magnetized, and you can just literally, when you finish one of your eyeshadows, you can just refill and buy separate items and just pop them in. And we've also magnetized our regular single eyeshadows that you can just, again, refill. So they're completely refillable and renewable. So that way, if you do happen to have any compacts, you can keep renewing. So that is the way that we are going plastic free with our eyeshadows. So have a great day wherever you may be, and it's bye for now.